Within historic Exposition Park, just south of downtown Los Angeles, awaits a fascinating treasure for the residents and tourists of California. Here, you will find the California Science Center, a rewarding adventure in scientific education and discovery that will challenge, enlighten, and inspire inquisitive minds of all ages. Open 7 days a week year-round, with the exception of Christmas, New Year's, and Thanksgiving. Admission to the California Science Center is free. Everyone is invited to enjoy its over 100 interactive exhibits, uniquely designed to awaken and delight the scientist inside us all. With the mission objective that a knowledge of scientific principles, processes, and applications are necessary to the growth of every individual. The California Science Center promises an enriching and entertaining experience you'll want to enjoy again and again. From the very beginning, the creation of the first phase of the Science Center was an immense undertaking that united creative and talented professionals in a project jointly funded by the public and private sectors. With its extensive size and magnitude, such an innovative and ambitious undertaking was not without its challenges. But the first phase of the California Science Center was ready to open in 1998, an accomplishment in part spurred on by Exposition Park's tradition dating back over a century of providing us all with the highest standard of culturally enriching educational attractions.